in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. So tonight I am making a carrot cheese ball. I know, cheese ball, but it's in the shape of a carrot, so I didn't know what else to call it. It is a carrot cheese ball. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make this really quick. It's an easy one. Then I'll form it, put it in the refrigerator, and there's a couple little surprises in here. I'm going to start with smoked Gouda, which adds such flavor from the start. You can use cheddar, you can use Gruyere, you can use whatever you want. I happen to like smoked Gouda. Then I have cream cheese. In here I have little garlic powder, little onion powder, and some chipotle powder. This is going to be a spicy one because here I have sriracha. I like to say that, sriracha. And then so I like the Kraft macaroni and cheese. That's my guilty pleasure. I'll buy the boxes occasionally, or the microwave ones. I absolutely love it. So when I buy the box ones, sometimes I run out of, I don't have macaroni for whatever I'm making, if I'm making a soup or something. So I'll use the macaroni out of the Kraft, and then I get these little packets of cheese powder, and I will use them in there. Then, this is what I'm going to roll it in. Does anybody know what it is? Ooh, I do. Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its, Cheez-Its, Cheez-Its. And then I just put it in a bag. You can put it in a food processor, and I just beat the living daylights out of it. I knock it into next week. And that's it. Those are the ingredients. Very easy. So come join me for my carrot cheese ball. Maybe I can come up with something better to call it once I put it out on YouTube. But for right now, it's going to be the carrot cheese ball. So let's start with how this goes. Here's my smoked Gruyere. I put that in, kind of mix it around like that. Then put that in. Those are all my wonderful little spices. And as I said, this is going to be a spicy one. So I'm trying to hold the camera and mix it. Then just put in your sriracha. You can put in as much as you want, or you can delete it. I wouldn't, because it adds depth to the flavor. And then you just add the cream cheese. And you mix it up. When you mix it up, you want to make sure there's no white parts in it. I'm going to put it in saran wrap, and I'm going to make it into a carrot shape. And I will let it sit in the refrigerator. So the carrot's bigger up at the top, and then it gets more slender. However you have to do it, whatever shape you end up liking. And then what we'll do, there we go. There we go. We're going to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a little bit because the cream cheese was softened. We'll be back. It's done. The form is. And then, so I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to eat it and then put a little of these crumbs on there and taste it before I form it, so then nobody knows I took a bite. That smoked Gouda with the chipotle, perfect. That sriracha gives a little bit of a flavor in the back, a little bit of a kick. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my carrot and I'm going to run it in here. Just going to cover it. Very easy, very messy, a little bit. That's okay, right? You won't tell anybody. So you just cover it, makes it nice and orange. And then we will do little lines like the carrots have. And we may need, there we go. Now I'm going to get my plate, put it on a plate, and then put your dill weed up at the top, and you have a carrot. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing? And you can keep playing with these ridges till you get them where you like them. So when you move it to the plate, if you can't see your little lines, go ahead and redo them. Look at that. There you go. I don't know if you can see the lines from it, but isn't that gorgeous? Put some crackers around it. You are set to go for Easter, my friend. Look at that, my carrot. You can also make it into a pumpkin at Thanksgiving, but this is awesome. This recipe takes 5 minutes to make. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a half an hour, bring it out, roll it in the crackers. It's done. It is the easiest recipe and everybody's gonna love it. Remember, if you don't like the sriracha, take it out. You don't have to worry about it. But this is one good cheese ball you can't buy in the store. So for this recipe, go to www.justinthekitchen.com and look it up. I'll have all the measurements on there. It's very easy. There's the lemon pie. There's a lot of other recipes on there you can look at. Remember, like me on Facebook. Like me on YouTube. Definitely. Please, please, please like me on YouTube. All right. Thank you very much. You have a happy Easter and God bless you. Bye.